Aloha, y'all. This is Rhonda, here to show you how to recycle baby bok choy. One of my very favorite greens to eat. They're just magnificent. And I like to get mine from, I'm here in Austin, Texas, and I like to get mine from the MT Market, which is in the Chinese Center, here over at North Lamar and Breaker, and they just have the best produce. I mean, I love H-E-B, but I'm telling you, when you walk into this market, you can practically hear the vegetables sing. Anyway, this is super easy. You can see the ones here. Oop, this one's falling over. These guys, for some reason, have started to bolt, which is not a good thing, but it's okay because I'm going to snip those off and eat them in just a few minutes, actually. But all you have to do is just cut it off like you normally would and stick it in some water. Seriously. Look at that. Look at that. That's just a few days of growth, just coming all through. And then as it grows, you can start snipping it off, or before you snip it off again for more leaves, you can plant them, which that'll be another video because I think I'll be planting some of these tomorrow. Anyway, so I've got my greens here, and that's going to go there for my dinner tonight. And these stalks are, and the flowers that are coming up are totally edible. Now when plants bolt, I think it's kind of over with. You can't really, it's not really going to do anything after that. So these guys I think are pretty much done. But I'm going to take the little stalk and the flowers that are coming out. I mean, they have really pretty yellow flowers, but it doesn't help us for regenerating food from trash. Anyway, and then we'll put this guy or gal in with this one. And that's pretty much it. In another video, I'll show the ones I chose to plant. But look at this. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Free food. Normally something we dump in the trash or in the compost. Hey, you know, give some free vegetables. And they're so good for you. Anyway, this is my baby bok choy rescue video. You can, I mean, this is really cool. I've tried some other veggies that you can actually do, like carrot tops and onions, and they didn't do too well. But that is probably because we went through a frost just a few weeks ago, and that's when I started them. And they were confused with the weather, and then it got warm again. And I think that's why these other guys bolted. Yeah, I think these guys bolted because all of a sudden it went from freezing and ice on the roads, and then it went to 70 degrees. Hey, that's Texas for you. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video. Remember to grow your health, your wealth, and continue to pass the